welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please subscribe and like. It helps the channel so much. I just bought this Bauer 8-inch single speed, not variable speed, grinder with a light. It was reduced in price from $99 to basically $90, and then I got 20% off, so for $72 I got this. And it'll complete the number of grinders I need to do polishing, wire wheel grinding, and deburring. So let's open this up and let's take a look at it. First things first, owner's manual, the fences, some hardware, the eye shields, and the grinder. Okay, the directions are pretty poor, so I wanted to line everything up and help anyone who has issues with assembly. First of all, these are the eye shields, and this is the threaded post with a small flat washer and a small locking washer. Then this is the tool rest with a carriage bolt with a square end here, the tool rest, the small flat washer, small lock washer. Then this bar will connect to the guard of the wheel with these two bolts, large washer and large locking washer. And then the spark guard goes up here, and that's what the eye shield will lock into, and that's basically secured with these small screws that have a built-in lock washer and flat washer. Just a quick point of reference, these brackets have a toothed area here that corresponds to the toothed area on the guards. This needs to be facing inward on each side because the guards basically go on like this. So the first thing we'll do, lock washer, flat washer, and then put this on for the guard, for the support arm. Okay, again, the bolt, lock washer, flat washer, and they go here, and they are a 13mm bolt, or machine screw actually, and we'll just lock those here temporarily. And then we use the flat washer, locking washer, then flat washer for the guard that goes through here, and that it goes into the arm here that is threaded. So we've got that. So my experience with grinders is that usually they're fairly well balanced and not very wobbly, but this wheel is pretty wobbly. As a matter of fact, it's been grinding into this screw, and it's very rumbly, so we're going to use these tools to true the grinding wheel to help reduce the vibration. And again, the light turns on when you turn them on. This will go up to 3,600 RPM. Really wobbly right here. There we go. A lot of irregularities are coming off. This should be much better now. You can see where it sparks against that screw when it vibrates. So I think that screw will be okay now. But it may take some more truing of these wheels to get them so that it eliminates the vibration. Also, this wheel is moving back and forth, and I may take the shrouds off the covers and be sure it's properly set on the arbor. So I took the guards off, And remember, this is a left-handed thread on this side, so you turn it clockwise to loosen it. This is a standard thread. This is counterclockwise to loosen it. But I took a look at them. I took them off, cleaned them, and reset them, and I think they're better. So we'll reinstall it and check it out. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Here we go. A lot better. Still needs a little truing. I think that's better. This is a diamond impregnated block, and this is a standard made in the United States by Desmond. This is a wheel dresser. Really works great. It's been around forever. And now I think we've got a grinder that's ready to go. Need to get it on its stand and put it to work. One more thing before we go, let's put it to the test. Here's some mild steel. Let's grind it. Well, you can see that even by putting it under high load, it didn't slow down at all. This has got a 3/4 horsepower motor, 5/8 inch arbor, 4.8 amp. And once I tuned up those wheels, took them off and replaced them, now it runs pretty true. So I think it's going to be a good grinder, but it does take a little work. Many tools you buy are not quite ready for use. You got to work on them a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and like. Thank you.